वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली आनी तयारेन आसतली नातालाची. So today I am going to show you all how to make Goan Christmas sweet, that is bolinga. Bolinga, bowling. It's made out of you can say a cookie or biscuit out of these ingredients. Few ingredients, but it is tasty. Again with of coconut only. So what we need is, kindly see this measurement cups. You can buy it in Amazon. Okay. So I am going to take 1 cup of coconut. Now this coconut I have to grind it to a fine, okay, but I have to grind without water. So this is 1 cup. Then 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 of cardamom. Then this is 1/2 cup of semolina, fine rava, or semolina or rava you say, yasuji. And this is like 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, pure ghee. Then we need, I will be grating very few this powder of nutmeg, not whole, only I will be using a scraper to scrape little bit of this for flavor. Then we need 3 eggs. So in these 3 eggs, 2 will be only egg yolk and 1 will be whole, full and yolk. I will show you all that also. So मातशे बरोवन घेयात. बोलिंगाचे जे जाय पळय ते हे एग कप म्हणजे योक नाल, ओके. धाकटो नाल आसता पळय तेजी 2 वळी, तेजो नाल. सो इन क्वांटिटी ऑफ कप इट इज 1 cup of coconut, grated coconut. This is 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 of cardamom. मागीर ह्यो आमचो रवो घेतला हांवें अर्दे कप, आनी हे 1 कुलेर आमची प्युअर घी, 3 तांतयां, तितून 2 तांतयांचो बोव म्हणजे योक आनी 1 आख्खें. आनी हें जावन आसा आमचें जायफळ, तेका हांव हें करतली, आमचे ग्रेटराचेर घेवन घासतली, इल्लेशें जावं, इल्लोसो. चलो तर पयलीं आमी नाल वांटून घेवया. बयो वांटून घेतला. सो दिस इज नाव डन. एंड नाव वील डू द नेक्स्ट प्रोसिजर. First we'll take 2 egg yolks. So we'll do this, okay. Two egg yolks. And here. That's it. And we'll now pick this first. the only procedure that you have to do this. Rest is all mixing. Now we'll add our coconut. And now we'll add our ghee. And we'll leave this for 3 to 4 hours. Then we'll bake this for 30 minutes. Like you have to make a ball. And then you have to set. So I'll leave this because see, once the semolina is going to get soaked in this, it will become dry. So जेन्ना आमचो रवो फुलतलो भितर आनी फुगतलो तेन्ना हे मातशें सुकतलें सगळें. तर आतां आमी हेका बंद करुया आनी तेका आतां सोडया 4 वरां. Till then, मेवची मागीर. See you again. So this is after 5 hours and this is our. So now तर ह्या 5 वरां उपरांत हांवें 3 ते 4 वरां म्हटलेलें पूण मातशें हांव कामान बिजी जाली तर 5 वरां. तर आतां आमी एका घी लावन घेवया आनी आवनाक प्री हीट करून दवरया ऑन 170 degrees for 10 minutes. तेका हें करुया. ओके. So 170 degrees for 10 minutes preheat करूया and तेज्या उपरांत we will bake this for 30 minutes on 170 degree. Okay, note down please. But you all are most welcome to ask me also in the comment section. I'm always there to reply. तर 170 आमी आवनाचो हें करुया आनी रॉड्स दोन्ही वयर आनी खाला दोन्ही जाय. ओके. तर आता आमचे हात बरे भाशेन इल्लेशे घी लायात, तेल लायात आनी आमचे आता बोलिंगा तयार करपाचे. आणि असे बॉल घेयात. धाकटी धाकटी बोलिंगा जाय, व्हडली व्हडली बोलिंगा जाय. दॅट इज अप टू यू. बोलिंगा लायक अ बॉल. सो अशें करून हिंगा दवरा. मागीर ताका शेप दिवया. व्हडली जाय व्हडली करात आणि शेप तुमकां जाय पळय तो ही करात. ओके. लायक अशी पण शेप आसता न्हू, गारा कोत्तात न्हू आमी. सो एज द शेप यू कॅन गिव एज यू ऑल वॉन्ट. दिस वे or that way, whichever way, but round looks nice, so I'll make round. ताका शेप दियात. तर शेप तुमकां जोही जाय पळय तोही दियात. तर हांवें आतां आनी कांट्यान बरी जायना आसली, सो आय एम यूजिंग दीस. So you can use knife. एकामेकाक तेंकोंक दिनाका. अही करून सगळ्याक शेप मातशी दियात. Okay, so now I will bake this and show you the result. Okay, there it's gone in the oven for 30 minutes. So here is our GOAN bolinhas ready to serve in our kuswar plate. This was gifted by my friend Karen. These are specially from UK. this too from UK all the way. So anyways, thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही आवडटली आमची गोवन बोलिंगास या बोलिनास सगळ्यांचे फेवरेट ते few ingredients and you can just make it at home or bake it at home. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमी यो क्रिसमस तुमचो धमाल कोत्तेलीन. I'm sure you all will all enjoy Christmas because for every Christmas there is a reason and it's a season. Thank you. Yummy and delicious.